So hello, what's up guys, ngayon nagpapalik na naman ang Powerlight Gaming sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, so ngayon ay may papakita tayong game na pwede nyo pagkakakitaan sa inyong bahay. So ito ay Powerlight Gaming. So yan guys, as you can see, marami iba't ibang klaseng game guys. Meron silang live games, slot games, sports games, poker, fish guys. So kung gusto mag-register dito guys, nandiyan lang sa comment section ng link. So ngayon guys, ituturuan ko kung paano mag-register dito sa Powerlight Gaming. So na ipipindutin nyo lang yung login guys, and then register. So type lang guys yung gusto nyong username, password, confirm password, at ilagay lang ninyo yung number na sa gilid guys. Parang ganito guys. Yan. Once na nakapag-create na kayo guys, so pinutin nyo lang yung register. So login muna tayo guys. So yan, kapag nakapag-register na kayo guys, ito yung mga kikita ninyo. So minimum dito guys, kung gusto nyo mag-deposit dito guys, is at least, so check muna natin, meron silang 100 minimum peso, 100 minimum cash dito guys. So pwede ka maglaro dito ng at least 100 pesos. Meron silang Gcash, Paymaya, Grab Pay, online banking, at GoTime guys. So minimum dito guys is 50 pesos yan kung meron kayong account dito. So yan. Tapos naman guys, sa withdrawal guys is minimum 100 pesos. So pwede na kayo mag cash out ng at least 100 pesos. So dito guys, so meron silang slot games. So marami silang iba't ibang klaseng slot game guys. So pinutin nyo lang yung more. Meron silang MNC, Naga Games, YGG Drasil, Live 22, JB Slot, Mana Play, Pocket Gamesoft, Funky Gaming, Speed Gaming, Big Pot, Rich 88, Mega Win, Big Gaming, Top Player, 5G, Mass, Micro Gaming, Virtual Tech, Gemini, Mega Entertainment, Espanyol, Julian Gaming, Fonta Gaming, Play Store, Smartsoft, Yellowbot, Dragonsoft, Nextspin, Amigo Gaming, Mga Gaming, Acewin, Pagmatic Play, Relax Gaming, Caleta Gaming, Octoplay, GB, Creative Gaming. Yan guys, marami pang iba guys. So yan. So yeah guys, kung gusto nyo mag-register dyan sa description box and comment section ng link. Yan guys, hanggang dito lang guys. Happy earning and good day.